Hello, I'm Timothy Jordan for The Developer Show, and this is your update about the coolest developer news from Google in the last week. AIY Projects has launched new versions of their do-it-yourself artificial intelligence kits. The Voice Kit lets you build a voice-controlled speaker, while the Vision Kit lets you build a camera that learns to recognize people and objects. Photos and links are on the post. Android Things Developer Preview 8 is now available. It is the final preview release and represents the final API surface exposed in the Android Things support library for the upcoming stable release, which means there will be no more breaking API changes before the 1.0 release of the SDK. For more details, release notes, and the updated SDK reference, take a look at the post. Google Play Protect is bringing safe browsing to WebView by default starting in April 2018 with the release of WebView 66. Google Safe Browsing protects users across the web from phishing and malware attacks. Links to learn about customizing, controlling, and testing safe browsing are on the post. Some of the new functionality we've delivered for Firebase Authentication includes passwordless sign-in with email link, custom claims on clients, and server-side session management controls. For more details on making registering and signing in users even easier, take a look at the post. Deep Variant version 0.6 is now available. It's a deep learning model that's been trained to analyze genetic sequences and accurately identifying the differences, known as variants, that make us all unique. This release includes some major accuracy improvements that are outlined in detail on the post. PostgreSQL is now generally available and fully supported for all customers on our Cloud SQL fully managed database service. This means it's backed by Google's 24/7 SRE team, high availability with automatic failover, and our SLA. Links to get started are on the post. Also now generally available is Dialogflow Enterprise Edition, which you can use to build voice and text-based conversational experiences powered by machine learning and natural language understanding. Example screenshots and links to get started are on the post. HashiCorp Vault is an open source tool for secrets management. We just announced some improvements to the Google Cloud Storage backend for HashiCorp Vault, including high availability, support for default application credentials, and enterprise-grade security. Details are on the post. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Timothy Jordan for The Developer Show. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.